Hi folks, my name is Ken.Quick. They call me Coach. I'm a retired teacher and coach from Idaho. Today it's my pleasure to talk to you about this 2651 2020 Forest River. In the back we've got a fixed bed with some closets back there, lots of space. Nice little kitchen with a swing up for you, so you get a little extension on the preparation area. You've got an oven, you've got a 3-burner stove, you've got microwave with a hood, nice refrigerator, well-equipped bathroom, a dinette, and an extra chair in here. And over the front, you've got 2 single beds, which is really nice if you got a couple of kids that you want to butt heads once in a while. At least it gives them some separation. So also becomes a great storage area, and you could put another mattress in there and make it one big giant bed if you wanted to. Television's up over the door so you can watch it from the dinette area, and it's got a DVD player and stereo. So very well equipped little Class C coach. Get you out there on the road, enjoying everything that this great country has to offer. Thanks for letting me show you around today. Remember, if you have any questions, call Coach at 208-250-8625.